Hi, I'm Peter from Bike Action.
And I'm Heather from Bike Action. And we're going to show you how to put your wheel back on your bike after you finish doing an inner tube replacement, which we showed you in the last video. So Peter's going to show you what to do here. Basically, you want to make sure that the quick release bolt is going to slide into the right spot. And also on my bike, there are disc brakes. So there's the added tricky bit of making sure that the disc gets lined up in here to fit into the brake mechanism. So Peter's just going to pull down the chain and make sure that it fits right onto that bottom cog there, the smallest cog. And then he's going to pull back on the derailleur to again ensure that everything slides into place properly on both sides. And it's just a little bit fussy to get it fitted into that disc brake as well as into the chain ring. And once it's in those drop downs, then it's just a matter of tightening the quick release. And there we are. Wheels back on the bike. You're ready to go.